Okay, now let's look at how do we configure multi-area OSPF. Okay, there are basically 4 steps to implement your multi-area OSPF. First, you look at your network requirements. Okay, then you define your OSPF parameters, whether you need to run single area or your network is too big, you need to run multi-area. Come up with your IP addressing plan. If you are running multi-area OSPF, define which network is in which areas, and then draw out your network topology. Once you have your OSPF parameter, you can start to configure your multi-area OSPF implementation based on your parameters, and then you verify if your multi-area OSPF is working or not. So in this module, we will just jump straight to step 3 and step 4. Okay, the command to run multi-area OSPF is actually very simple. There's no special command to say that you want to run multi-area OSPF. Okay, if you remember, when you run your OSPF network command, you need to indicate the areas. And in single area OSPF, it's always area 0. Now we are running multi-area OSPF. Okay, let's look at this topology. Okay, R2 is a backbone router. It's also an internal router because it's only connected to area 0. R1 and R3 are area border routers. Okay, this is connected to both area 0 and area 1 for R1. For R3, area 0 and area 2. So these two are your area border routers. Okay, we look at the configuration for R1. Okay, how do you indicate that which interface is connected to which area? You do it in your network commands. So if you remember, your network command previously is all area 0. Now we have area 1. So my 10 dot network are all connected to area 1. So all I need to do is replace the 0 with 1. So now R1 will know that I'm a area border router. So it's that simple. Just replace the area number, okay, with the correct area according to your parameters, according to your design. Okay, how about OSPF version 3 for IPv6? Again, the commands are all the same. There's no special commands. All you need to do is indicate the correct area when you're in the interface. So in this case, this interface G00 is connected to area 1. So when you run your IPv6 OSPF process ID, which is 10, and then the area, and make sure you put in the correct area according to your network design. So area 1 connected G00, and your serial is connected to area 0. So this will tell R1 that you are a area border router. Okay, how do you verify that your multi-area OSPF is working? Okay, it's the same group of commands you use for your OSPF, your show IP OSPF commands. Okay, so for OSPF version 3 for IPv6, all you need to do is just replace your IP with IPv6 over here. Okay, let's look at the output of each of the command when you're running multi-area OSPF. Okay, show IP protocol. When you run show IP protocol, you can see that, okay, the one highlighted in orange, the number of area in this router R1 is 2. So this is an area border router. It's connected to which area? Area 1 for these two networks and area 0 for the 192.168 network. So your show IP protocol will tell you more about R1, which is an area border router that's connected to area 1 and area 0. How about your show IP route command? Okay, when you run your show IP route, if you want to see OSPF route, you can do a show IP route OSPF. Okay, if you notice here, we have seen this before. You have your normal OSPF route. You also have your OSPF inter-area route, show as OIA. So this shows that R1 have two types of OSPF route: your intra-area route and your inter-area route. Okay, this means that the route originated, these two routes originated from another area. Okay, next you can also use the show IP OSPF database, okay, to see your link state packets, okay, that's received, okay, from the different routers. If you're running multi-area OSPF, the link state database is kept separate between the different areas. This shows that R1 have two different databases for both area 0 and area 1 for R1. So the link state are kept separately from the different areas. For OSPF version 3, the commands are the same. Just remember to replace IP with IP version 6, and the output of the command are similar to see the different areas for the routers. Okay, so that's the end of this chapter, Multi-Area OSPF, where we explain how Multi-Area OSPF operate in a small to medium-sized business network, and how do we configure and implement Multi-Area OSPF version 2 for IPv4 and version 3 for IPv6.